Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to generate Amazon affiliate links. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Firstly, to generate Amazon affiliate links, you need to sign up for the Amazon affiliate program, which is called Amazon Associates. So do a search for Amazon Associates on a search engine, and you can get here. And what's important to know is that you need to sign up to Amazon Associates for different Amazon regions. In the top right, I'm currently signed up to the UK. I can also sign up to the United States as well. So choose a country and then go and click sign up. And you'll need to go and sign into your Amazon account. And then just follow the rest of the account creation process. It's quite simple. After you've created your Amazon Associates account, then you can come on to Amazon and go to the country you set up your associate account for. Then I want to promote a computer mouse. So I'm just going to go and search for mouse like this. And then I'll scroll down, I'll do this one here for example. Then just go to the top right where you've got your Amazon Associate site Stripe and you've got Get Link. You can then tap on that and you can choose your associate ID and tracking ID and then come down here. And here is your link. It's already going to be shortened, which makes it easier. And you can just right-click it and press copy. And then you can go and promote this on your website. So that's basically how you can generate Amazon affiliate links. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.